Hello, Burbank Bears. It is Thursday, April the 30th. It's the last day of April. Hard to believe, isn't it? And today I thought we would do a science experiment. So I'm here in my kitchen and I'm going to use the following things. This is what you'll need to do if you want to do the science experiment at your house too. Just need some kind of bowl. I'm using a white one, pretty shallow bowl. And you need some dish soap. Mine is Dawn. You need some milk, a little tiny container, a little bowl, some food coloring, which hopefully you have at home, and some Q-tips or cotton swabs. So these are the following things that you'll need. So what you're going to do, you're going to start out by putting a little bit, you're going to need Mom and Dad's help for this. Put a little bit of the dish soap into this container first. Just going to pour a little bit. I don't need a lot. I'm pouring that in. So I just have a little tiny bit in there. So we're going to use that. And then I'm going to take my milk. And again, you don't need a lot of milk, just a little bit of milk. And pour it just enough to cover the bottom of your bowl. So just a little bit. See if I can show you. It's hard to tell because it's white, but just a little bit to cover the bowl. Then what you're going to do, you're going to take your food coloring. I have yellow, pink, blue, and green with me today. So I'm going to start by using my yellow. And this is something that Mom and Dad are probably going to help you with. You could also maybe use paint. So I will hold this down so you can see what we're doing. And I'm going to take my drops of yellow food coloring and I'm going to put a few drops in there. Can you see it dropping into the milk? There's another one. And there's another one. And now I'm going to use my pink. I'm going to open that up. I'm going to drop another couple drops of food coloring in there. These are my pink ones. And next I'm going to use my green. Here we go, some green. And then we're going to use some blue. Here we go. Dropping in the blue. All right, so we've got all of our food coloring in. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take our Q-tips. Drops that right in there. We're going to take our Q-tips and we're going to dip it into the soap. So here we go, dipping it a little bit into the dish soap. So just so you have a little bit on the bottom of your Q-tip. Can you see it? There it is. And now we're going to put it into our milk and watch what happens. Let's see if I can do this so you can see. Here we go. Look at that. You see how it's dancing? All right, I'm going to dip it in again into my soap, and then we're going to take it and we're going to put it back in the milk. Oh, that one didn't work right there. See how it's moving around when you dip it back in? We can use the other side of the Q-tip too and get more soap on there. We'll take it and we'll dip it in again. Works best the first time, I think. But look, you can paint with the milk. Look how pretty that is. Now, this will work better for all you parents out there if you have whole milk. I am using 1% because that's all we had at my house. But if you use whole milk, it will work much better and your painting will come out much better. But it still works. It's very pretty. I don't know if I can lift up my phone again here. This is challenging to do by myself. But you can see, look how pretty that is, all the colors. So that's just a fun, simple activity that you can do with milk and food coloring, probably things you already have at home. Definitely, you probably have dish soap and milk. So you just need a little bit of each. and the food coloring and the Q-tips, and you guys can paint with that and make pretty designs in your milk. So hopefully that works for you. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope to see videos of you and pictures of you trying this at home. Talk to you later. Bye.